We build our gig on it. In this gig we explain our skills. You have to install your services in it. This allows anyone from any country to hire you for whatever services you are providing. Now I show you everything practically. First we open Google and search Fiverr. Okay, the Fiverr is open. First look here. This is menu page, Fiverr menu page. It says find the perfect freelance services for your business. Flow that in popular website design, WordPress logo design, and video editing. Okay, I have an option where we find business explore, English speaker, become a seller, sign in, join. If we scroll down here, we will see many gigs where there are also many categories like graphic design, digital marketing, writing translation, audio animation, music, audio, programming, tech, business, lifestyle training. All the subcategories of these categories are also visible. If we search for logo here, we will find a lot of gigs in front of us. Now you can see the services of logo, how many people are working here. If we blow, there is a top rated gig in front of us. Open it. After opening the gig, you will see how many orders they have completed. Now here is the description of gig. If you go down, the seller information will show that he is an exceptional graphic design from India, member since August 2018. Now, if we talk about the rate, the basic rate 5,000, standard rate 22,000 and premium rate 35,000. Okay, now let's search another categories. Okay, we see the search the website. Here we will have a web services show. Also, these are the people who provide the services of the web. Now we open the top rated gigs. Here see how many of their orders have been completed here. If you go down, the same process will happen. If you check their package,